Power wash, Salisbury, Maryland. I want to show you, we've already come and taken care of the actual oxidation on the house. It's uncovered while we were doing the power washing. But you can kind of see right here's a line, right there's a line, back up, here's another line. These are actually the studs. You can't see it dead on. If you look over here, you could sort of see it over there. But what happens this side of the house, and you can even see right there where it's warped it a little bit too, it gets so much sunlight, and so when it hits the area where the stud is, it absorbs the temperature or the heat a little differently than the spots where the insulation is. And what that does is it eventually takes and impacts the coloring that you've got there. And that's why, again, you can see those perfect lines going straight up and down. Now again, there was oxidation on here too, so that had part of it, but you can't remove what's happened because of that heat on it too. So I hope that helps, guys. I know it's very difficult to see the difference in there, but it's there, and you can actually see pretty well from right here. You see right there, there, and there. The other big giveaway is it's literally 1.5 inches wide, just like the stud is behind it. So I hope that helps you guys. More customers. Have a great day.